I'm Megan Gill, and I want to tell you about my new mixed media kit. So it comes like this. It comes in a package that has everything that you need. It has all of the supplies in it. Let's go through, see what's in the bag. So first, you have your actual instructions. So you have a picture of what it's going to look like. You also have written instructions, but it also leads you to a link that you can actually follow along with me as I teach you how to do it. It comes with a canvas, an 8x10 canvas. It has a white hymnal page, which is your snowman. And then it has really old paper. This is old vintage papers from like the 1940s. Some of them are bank statements, some of them are invoices, some of them are love letters. And then it comes with all of your paint. I know it doesn't look like a lot of paint, but I promise it's everything you need to make it look right or look good, right? And then it comes with, oh, we're not done with paper. It comes with scrapbook paper. So you get 3 types of paper. It's all scrap paper. And one of them is for the joy. One is for the scarf. And one is for the actual hat. And you get to choose which one's which. You get a tray. And this tray actually is what you put your glue in and that kind of stuff. You get a paintbrush, 2 paintbrushes, and an actual pencil. And then lastly, you get a wonderful little Mod Podge thing to glue everything and seal everything. So I hope you enjoy it. You can find them at the Basement Marketplace, or you can find them on my website. And I hope to see some of your mixed media snowman. Thanks.